Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, and your voice is soft like summer rain, and I could not compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, and there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. You could have your choice of man, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I have to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Please don't take him even though you can. Thank you.
Thank you. Are we all having a lovely day, people? Yeah. Glorious. Or is it a bit too warm? No. Never could be too warm. Heading down south to the land of the pines, on my way up to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God while I see headlights. I'm leaning down the coast in 17 hours, picking me away with dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Riley I'll see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, yeah, mama, rock me. Yeah, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, yeah, mama, rock me. Running on the cold, yeah, up in New England. I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. But baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Whoa, the North Country windows keep getting me now. Lost my money playing poker, so I had to get on the road. Ain't no turning back, living that low life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, yeah, mama, rock me. Carolina, staring out the road and pray to God, man, I see headlights. Oh, I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me away, barefoot, red flowers, and I open for Riley, I'll see my baby tonight. Come on, sing along. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Oh, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Let's go. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Red man tobacco, grandpa's 2 cents, old timers, they're in a pinch, I'm a fan of it.
Oh shit.
Splitting logs, smoking hard, feeding leftovers to a 3-legged dog, I'm a fan of it.
Oh shit.
One man's trash is another man's treasure. One man's pain is another man's pleasure. If it's out of style, sure drives him wild. I'm a fan of it.
Oh shit.
Old turntables, vinyl records, hand-me-down tools, Black and Decker, I'm a fan of it.
What? Oh shit.
One man's trash is another man's treasure. One man's pain is another man's pleasure. If it's out of style, sure drives him wild. I'm a fan of it.
Oh shit.
Singing hymns, skipping stones. When I think of him, think of home. I'm a fan of it.
Oh shit.
Now grandpa's trash is my treasure. He don't feel pain, only pleasure. If it's out of style, sure drove him wild. I'm a fan of it.
Oh shit. One more.
Now I'm a fan of it. Oh shit. Thank you.
Get it in right there. Jesse James, we understand. Oh, he's killed many a man. Oh, we ride from the Union train. Oh, we stole from the rich and he gave to the poor. He had a hand and a heart and a brain. Won't him. Saturday night, yeah, the stars were shining bright. They rode from the Glendale train. Well, the people, they did say, yeah, from many miles away, it was his outlaws, Franco, Jesse James, yeah. My children, oh my God, they will brave. Yeah, history does record, yeah, Bob and Charlie Ford, and late poor Jesse James in his grave. Come on, listen. Yeah, those dirty little cowards, I wonder just how they feel. For they ate poor Jesse's bread, and they slept in Jesse's bed, and they laid poor Jesse in his grave. All together. Oh, Jesse had a wife, lived a lazy all her life. Yes, late poor Jesse in his grave. Take it on, Tim, take it on. Thank you very much, thank you. A round of applause for Tim on that tin sandwich there. That's a bit more harmonica, Tim. If I must. Now you all know this one so you can sing along. I met my love by the gasworks wall. I dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Clouds are drifting across the moon. Cats are prowling on the beach. Springs a girl on the streets at night. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I heard a siren, yeah, from the docks. I saw a train set the night on fire. I pissed the hell on the smoky wind. Dirty old town, dirty I'm gonna make me a big sharp axe, shining steel, tempered in the fire. I'll chop you down like an old dead tree. Dirty old town, dirty old town. And my love by the gasworks wall, I dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, a dirty old town. I met my love by the gasworks wall. I dreamed a dream by the old canal. Kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. One more time. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Is there any red-headed women? There's a few, well, they'll be sunburned today, so they're probably hiding in the shadows.
Everyone's looking a little bit red.
Anyway, this one's dedicated to you. To all the gingers. When it comes to getting a little dirty job done, he clicks a red-headed one. Takes a red-headed one. Takes a red-headed one. Tell the dirty little dog come. But listen up, stud, yeah, your life's being wasted till you got down your knees and tasted a red-headed one. Yeah, little red-headed one. It takes a red-headed one. Tell a little dirty job dog. Tight skirt, strawberry hair. But tell me what you got, baby, on the there. Your green eyes look like sun. I can tell every cheap thing you've done is a red-headed one. It takes a red-headed one. It takes a red-headed woman. Let's get a little job done. Come on, Vincent. But when it comes to getting a little job done, it takes a red-headed woman. It takes a red-headed woman. It takes a red-headed woman. Get a little dirty job done. Well, listen, stud, in little town, and you got down on your knees and tasted a red-headed woman. It's a red get a little dirty job done. Thank you. Any Johnny Cash fans? Love is a burning flame, and it makes a fiery wind. 'Cause I'm bound by wild desire, 'cause I fell in a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 but the flames went high. And it burns, 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 this ring of fire, this ring of fire. Love is a burning flame, and it makes a fire. Now I'm bound by wild desire. Now I feel in a ring of fire. Yes, I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 but the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 this ring of fire, this ring of fire. Thank you.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. Something unpredictable, in the end that's right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still friends in your mind. Hang them on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories that dead skin or dry. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. Something unpredictable, in the end that's right. I hope you had the time of your life. Something unpredictable, in the end that's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You all having a good time, Cottaged? I can't hear you.
Pulled into Nazareth, I was feeling about half past dead. I just need some place, yeah, where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my hand, and no was all he said. Take a load off Annie, take a load from Ray, take a load off Annie. Hey, 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 and you put the load right on me. I picked on my plan. Oh, I was looking for a place to hide. When I saw Camel, yeah, and the devil walking side by side, I said, come on, Camel, yeah, let's go on downtown. She said, I've got to go, but my friends can't stick around. Come on. Take a load off Annie. Take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. Hey, 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 you stick the load, put the load right on me.
Go down this Moses, there ain't nothing you can say. It's just a look, and it's waiting on the judgment day. Well, look, my friend, while found young Galilee said, do me a favor, son, won't you keep her company?
Take a load off Annie. Take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. Hey, 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 you put the load right on me. Crazy Chester followed me, and he was caught up in the fraud. He said, I'll fix your act if you take old Jack, my dog. He said, wait a minute, Chester, you know I'm a peaceful man. He said, that's okay, boy, won't you feed it while you can? Come on, Sonny J. Take a load off Annie. Take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. Hey, 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 you put the load right on me. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Song we can sing. Let's not forget why we're here today. On Macmillan Cancer, we've all lost somebody, so let's sing it to them. Mama, take this badge from me, 'cause I can't use it anymore. Getting on too dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Come on, Connie J. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Just like so many times before. Mama put my goals to the ground, 'cause I can't shoot them anymore. This long black cloud is coming down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. just like so many times before. Thank you very much, thank you.
Thank you.
Hear that train a-calling, it's rolling down the plain. Now you see the sunshine since I don't know when, 'cause I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. The time keeps dragging on, and the key keeps rolling down the sailing song. When I was just a baby, my mama told me so. Always be a good boy, and don't ever play with guns. But I'll shout around and read up just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head in that cry. One time. In a fancy dining car, we're probably drinking coffee, yeah, we're smoking big cigars. But I knew I had it coming, I knew I can't be free, yeah. And the people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. Well, if they free me from this prison, or if the railroad train were mine, my blues away. There you go. Right, seeing as it's very sunny, Lauren, I think we'll sing a sunshine song. One you can all join into. Well, thanks for listening to us, guys. It's been a pleasure. I thought we'd just chill it out before all the rock goodness comes back on.
The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and cried.
Go on if you know this one.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Everybody, Connie James. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I
You'll regret it all someday.
You
are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
please don't take
My sunshine away.
Thank you very much, Cutting Ed. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you,
Cool.
Jib.
Shall we have one more for the road? Both lie silently still in the dead of the night. Both lie close together and feel miles apart inside. There's something I said or something I did, the words not come out right. I try not to hurt you, though I try. But I guess that's why they say every rose has its thorn. Just like every night has its thorn. Just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Listen to a favorite song playing on the radio. One DJ says that love's a game of easy come and of easy go. But I wonder, does he know? Has he ever felt like this? Well, I know that you'll be here right now if I could let you know somehow. I guess they say every rose has its thorn. Just like every night has its thorn. Just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Though it's been a while now, oh, I can still feel so much pain. Like a knife that cuts you, the wound heals, but the sky remains. Grab a harmonica too and stick it out. Tim Cummins, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to sing this last bit with me. If I could have saved a love, oh, I don't know what I had to say. Instead of making love, oh yeah, we both went our separate ways. And now I hear you found somebody new, and that I never meant much to you. To kiss me and tells me up inside, to see you cuts me like a knife. They say every rose has its thorn. Just like every night has its thorn. Just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Thank you very much, Cut It Aid. Every rose has its thorn. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Cheers.
Thank you.